A monsoon trek. What comes in mind when I say this? Lush greenery, clouds covering the peak, raining and drizzling around. That's it, right? Well, that's the motivating part. And here we are today to do this 18-kilometer long trek. There is more to it. Let's find out.
I love Kudremukh.
Kudremukh, the second highest peak of Karnataka. Though it sounds pretty long trek, but trust me, the views are going to be phenomenal. The trail starts from the forest department, and initially it seems to be wide enough, but slowly it tapers down inside the forest canopy. We have embarked on the journey towards Kudremukh Peak now, and it is only 20% of the trail we have done. And it's very greasy tail, muddy, and a lot of leeches. We are navigating our way through all the leechy trail now. Let's see how it goes. This crossing is around 80 to 100 meter walking along and in the river. There are around 6 to 7 water crossings in one way. Here we have the first steep ascent to the half point, that's known as Ontimera. In Kannada it's one tree. Moving on now, the trail is along the side of the hill, but still muddy and slippery too, and a lot of leeches. But the views are so phenomenal that you forget your leech bites and all. After the foresty patch, the trail actually opens up in a wide meadow, and the ascent is very gradual. There are some places where the ascent is very steep, around 300-400 meter halfway of the steep ascent chilo. Tarpore to gradual trail, and going forward, aruk tu jaga the steep ascent acha. Let's see how it goes. By the way, entire peak and all, everything is covered in the mist right now. Let's see how it goes. The trail goes in and out of the green canopy of the forest multiple times. Every time it opens up into a wide expanse of the meadow, the views are extremely phenomenal and very different from the previous ones. Final ascent is a zigzag and it's very steep and it's very tiring too. back. See you after the trek.